Very good morning. Today we will discuss the method of triangularization or method of factorization. The second sum, solve the following system of the equations by triangularization method. Here the given three simultaneous equation 10x plus y plus z equal to 12, 2x plus 10y plus z equal to 13 and x plus y plus 5z equal to 7. Now to solve by using the method of triangularization to find out what is x value, y value, z value. Okay. Now the given linear equations we can write the equivalent equation is ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b. A we can write 10, 1 and 2, 10, 1 and x value 1, y value 1 and 5 value z. And this is for x, okay, x, y, z equal to b value 12, 13 and 17. Okay. Now here ax is equal to b, we can write let lu equal to a. Here the a is a decomposition of matrix. Okay. Now the product of the lower triangular, in lower triangular the diagonal elements are equal to 1 and upper triangular of matrix. So we can write like this format. Here we can write 1 0 0 L21 1 0 L31 L32 and L33. This is a L value. Okay. This one refer previous topic or video. We can represent U11, U12, U13, 0, U22, U23 and 0, 0, U33 equal A value. Now here for this one 10, 1, 2, 10, 1, 5. Okay. Now this is for you equal to this is for you. This is the format of L equal to A. First to find out the U11 value, U12 value and U13 value. Here U11 equal to A11. This is the formula. You refer the previous topic or previous video. Here the U11 equal to A11. This is the A11 value, A12 value, A13 value. Now A11 value 10, U11 equal to 10. Next U12 equal to A12. Here the U12 equal to A12 value 1. Next one U13 equal to the formula for A13, U13 equal to A13 value 1. Next to find out the L21 value. Now the formula for L21 equal to formula A21 divided by A11. A21 divided by A11 This formula you refer the previous video or previous topic. Okay. Here L21 equal to A21 value. This is for A21 value 2 divided by A11 value 10. A11 value 10. Here 2 divided by 10 equal to 1 divided by 5. Now we can divide this one. We can get the result is 0.2. 0.2, that is L21 equal to 0.2. Next one, to find out U22, the formula U22 formula A22 minus L21 U12. Here the A22 value 10 minus L21 value 0.2 into U12. U12 value 1. Now 10 multiply these two minus 0.2. Now to subtract these two, now result is U22 equal to 9.8. Result. Next one, to find out the U23 equal to the formula for A23 minus of L21 U13. Okay, this formula you refer the previous video or previous topic. Now A23, this is for A21, A22, A23 value 1 minus L21 value 0.2 into U13 value 1. Now result 1 minus, now to multiply these two 0.2. Now to subtract these two, we can get the result U23 equal to 0.8. Now result is 0.8. Okay. Next one, to find out the L31, L32, L33. Okay. Next, to find out L31 equal to the formula A31 divided by A11. Here the A31 value 1, A11 value 10. Now to divide these two, result is 0.1. It is L31 equal to 1. Next, to find out L32, now the formula L32 minus of L31 U12 divided by U22. Here A32 value 1 minus L31 value 0.1 into U12 value 1 divided by U22 value 9.8. Now 1 minus, you can multiply this one 0.1 divided by 9.8. Now to subtract these two, 0.9 divided by 9.8. Now L32, we can divide these two, we can get the result 0.09. 0.09. Next, to find out U33 value. Now the formula for A33 minus L31 U13 minus L32 U23. Now to substitute the value of A33, here A33 value 5 minus L31 value 0.1 into U13 value 1 minus L32 value 0.09 into U23 value 0.8. Okay, this is for 5 minus, now to multiply these two, result is 0.1 minus, now to multiply these two, we can get the result 0.072. Next u 3 equal to, now to subtract these two value with 5, we can get the result 4.8. Result 4.8. We already find out the value u11, u12, u13 and L values. Now substitute this value into L and U. L and U. Here the L1, 0, 0, L21 value. Here the L21 value 0.2 and then 1, 0, L31 value 0.1 and L32 value 0.09 and L31. Next is U value. This is for L and U value 11 value. Here the U11 value 10 and 1 and then 0 9.8 8.8 0 0 4.8. This is for L and this is for U and A value 8 10 1 1 2 10 1 1 1 5. This is the L value, this is for U value and this is for A value. First we have to find out LUX equal to B, LUX is equal to B and UX is equal to 1. UX is equal to Y. First we have to find out the Y value. For that, this value to substitute here, LY equal to B. Okay, you know the value of L value and B value. Now to substitute these two and to find out the Y value. Here the L value, this one 1 0 0 0.2 1 0, next 0.1 0.09 0.09 and 1. This is for L value and instead of Y we can use Y1 Y2 Y3 equal to B value we already seen itself 12 13 and 7. Okay, first to find out Y1 value, Y2 value and Y3 value. First we can take the row 1 to multiply with the column. Here Y1, this is for 0 and this is for 0. Here the Y1 equal to 12. This is the answer of Y1. And to take the second row and multiply with this column, this is for 0.2 Y1 plus Y2 and this is for 0. Y2 equal to 13. Now 0.2 Y1 value, you already know that 12 plus Y2 equal to 13. Next, now to multiply these two, we can get the result 2.4 plus Y2 equal to 13. Now to find out Y2, so Y2 equal to 13, the 2.2 we can take this side minus 2.4. Now to subtract these two, we can get the result 10.6. Next one, to take the row 3 and column 0.1y, 0.1y plus 0.09y2, 0.09y2 plus y3 equal to 7. Next to 0.1 into y1 value 12 plus 0.09 into y2 value 10.6 plus y3 equal to 7. Okay. Now to multiply these two, we can get the result 1.2 plus, now to multiply these two, we can get the result 0.954 plus y3 equal to 7. Next, to add these two, we can get the result 2.154 plus y3 equal to 7. Now to find out the y3, for that y3 equal to 7 minus of 2.154. Now to subtract these two, we can get the result 4.8. Okay, we find out the result y1, y2, y3. Okay, this value we substitute here we can find out what is the x value, y value, z value. For that we can use this formula u. Here the u for this one 10, 1, 1, 0, 9.8 and 0.8, 0, 0, 4.8. This is for u. And the x we can use x, y, z, or we can use the x1, x2, x3. Okay, x1 equal to x and x2 equal to y and x3 equal to z. Next one, y value. Here the y, we can use y1 12 and y2 value 10.6 and next y3 value 4.8. Okay, first we can take row 3 and column. We have to multiply, this is for 0 and this is for 0, and here 4.8 z equal to 4.8. Now z equal to 4.8 divided by 4.8, we can divide these two, we can get the result 1. Z equal to 1. Next, to take the second row, 0 x 0 and 9.8y plus 0.8 z equal to 10.6. Here the 9.8y plus 0.8 into 1, z value 1 equal to 10.6. Now 9.8y, now to multiply these two, we can get the result 0.8 and then 10.6. Okay, here the 9.8y, we can take the 0.8 that side equal to 10.6 minus of 0.8. Now to subtract these two, we can get the result 9.8. Now y equal to 9.8 divided by 9.8. We can get the result y is equal to 1. Okay. Next, we can take the row 1, 10x plus 1y plus 1z equal to 12. Here 10, x value, we have to find out y value 1 plus z value 1 equal to 12. Now 10x, we can add these two, result is 2 equal to 12. Now the 2 we can get that side, 10x equal to 12 minus 2. Now 10x equal to, now to subtract these two, result is 10 and x is equal to 10 divided by 10. Now x is equal to 1. This is the result. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z equal to 1. This is the given simultaneous linear equation to solve by using the method of triangularization or method of factorization. We can get the result x value 1, y value 1 and z value 1. Now to check the result, whether it is correct or not. Now the given three simultaneous equation, we can substitute x value, y value, z value, any one of the three equations. Now to find out LHS is equal to RHS result. So I can take equation 1, 10x plus y plus z equal to 12. I I can take the first equation. X value 1 plus y value 1 plus z value 1 equal to 12. Now to multiply these two 10, 1 plus 1 equal to 12. Now to add all the three, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal to 12. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Now, sum is correct by using method of triangularization or method of factorization. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.